If you're a dedicated working professional in Malaysia, this is the course you've been waiting for. Imagine you're running a small business, your dream brought to life through hard work. Yet, the ever-changing legal landscape keeps you up at night. As you juggle daily operations, you can't help but wonder, am I fully compliant with the latest employment laws? And what opportunities might I be missing out on? The opportunity is immense. Proactive compliance reduces legal penalties by 40%, leading to a competitive edge and improved employee well-being. Our course is the solution. We dissect the latest amendments, from wage calculations to paternity leave, fostering compliance in a positive work environment, leading to transformation in compliance, productivity, and positivity in your organization. You will gain a deep understanding in compliance assurance and unlock potential with real-life examples and immersive experiences. We will engage your learning with interactive quizzes embedded with prompt feedback, real-life examples, and immersive modules, making your learning journey effective and enjoyable. Your investment in this course will deliver tangible results, minimized legal risks, increased productivity, reduced turnover, and better talent attraction. Let's take the first steps towards success and compliance. Contact us now.